first time I'm gonna hit this jump. Oh boy. Holy shit. Oh god! Well, the battery came out. And let's see. We tore the GoPro thing. Holy cow. Holy cow. Alright, so I don't have to give it that much throttle. Clearly. Good golly. That thing went high! Holy crap. And we're going to send it with the body on and without a GoPro, so hopefully I can control it better in the air. And I'm not going to hit the ramp so hard. Busted through. All this is proving to me Holy cow. I'm glad I lost it into the woods. So, as you can see, the suspension on this side of the buggy is completely locked up. Can't even get it to move. This side, yeah, just fine. All the other things, fine. This one's locked up, so I'm probably bent a shaft or something broke it. The other thing that broke was the wing. The wing kind of just smashed through. And then I don't know how or why, but I had to run away at the very end. And it just ran into the woods, which was the best thing it could have done. But, I mean, I hope the engine is okay. It didn't seem to rev for too long. But it just... I'll have to figure out how to put a return spring or something strong enough on here. Or invest in one of those fancy fail-safes, I guess. I never have, because I've always, you know, just dealt with the runaway afterwards. It's been like, oh well. But, well, the other thing, the engine slid back. You can see... maybe. The gears aren't exactly lined up as they were earlier. So I guess I'll figure out what happened to the shock, and I'll show you guys a picture of it. As you can see, that is the very definition of bent. Holy cow. Nothing a hammer won't fix.